Berg, a one-time Bruin, backhanded for Athanasiou. He's got room. Athanasiou's in the clear from center ice in, all alone, scores! Andreas Athanasiou. No one's going to catch him in a 90-foot race, and it's 1-0 Red Wings.
This was the third example of how much space there is in the middle of the ice. This time, Athanasiou exploits Fedor Tyutin, who couldn't get there because he was snowshoeing through the neutral zone, and it was a half-hearted attempt at the end right there. Athanasiou making it look easy.
Chip to center ice. Mikhail Grigorenko with another nice move. He had two of them right there.
Nick Jensen doing his best, but again, it's tough to play defense with your back to the offensive player. Grigorenko came over in the O'Reilly deal.
Puck, he's going to the bench, and the Red Wings will get a change here. Drop back, high slot, and Howard got a piece there. Rantanen with a good attempt. No one seemed to know where it was. Barry, now to McKinnon. Moved across, nicely set, big stop by Howard. Oh, what a save that was. You could hear the thud off the pads from up here.
But Jimmy Howard read it. Look at him dig in and push across. Oh, and he even had to lift it up a little bit. That's the fire hydrant save. You know what I mean? Look at him lift the leg. Kick it aside, what a save.
Bowling with 12 seconds to go for Andrew Ghetto in that game against Ottawa. The last time the Avs have scored, it's right there. And they tied up the game with a nice looking goal from Matt Duchene. He picked the top corner and gets the Avs off the schneid and on the board to tie up this game against Detroit. Duchene with his 17th goal of the season.
And Mike, I was on a broadcast, a radio interview today. It was in the hockey channel, the radio station. And that was one of the questions. How does a guy like Matt Duchene, with all his talent, go that long in that kind of a scoring drought that he has been in? And I tried to tell people, you know, there is no explaining it. I mean, the man has too much talent. He is too good.
Kept in at the line. Off Glendening stick. Zetterberg doing all he can to try to contain Colburn. Comes back to Tyson Barrie. Saved by Howard. Rebound! And it stayed out!
Oh!
Boy, what a chance that was for Mark Barberio, and he couldn't beat him.
Pass out to center ice for Comfort. Cuts down the middle. Here's a chance. He just J.T. Comfort with his first ever NHL goal, and it comes in a big time in the third period against the Red Wings.
Like you can feel it coming. Last game against Arizona, he's had other chances, and this is a unit. Top shelf. Just going to walk in, takes his time and unloads. The Avalanche went over, got the puck for him, and he is now, he's officially an NHL goal scorer.
I asked him before the game that you had two that hit the post against Arizona. Is that frustration, or do you feel like you're getting closer? He said, I'm getting closer.
Yeah.
Bounce pass ahead, brought in. Tatar shoots, and that one went off of Pickard.
Andrighetto sending one toward the goal. Howard with a big save. As McKinnon with that good speed driving the net had the chance. Howard stopped it.
Mitchell skates into the zone. Pass over to Como. Turns it back in the slot. Shots good! Yeah! Cole Soderberg fires it in by Howard. And the Avalanche now lead this one 3-1. And maybe shutting up some of those Red Wing fans that are here today. Way too many of them.
But well, the Avalanche came out in this third period. There's Andrew Ghetto's pass across to McKinnon. What a great There's Rantanen right there. Another real solid save for Howard. But here, it's been a frustrating season for Carl Soderberg, but he gets one right there. And this place, like, it's fans, let me just say this. If Detroit has scored the first 2 goals, my partner might just have jumped off the roof here. He might have just done it something. I'm so pleased that the F1 struck those goals.
Howard has to come up with a big save here to keep the Red Wings in it. Landeskog on Howard. And Howard stops him.
If you can make a penalty shot look routine, Jimmy Howard did just that. Very impressed with Howard's game here tonight. Very economical in his, look at how still his body is. Drops that right pad down. Landeskog has nowhere to go.
Nyquist in the slot. And Zetterberg puts it out in front, jammed at right at the side of the net.